At first, would you introduce yourself and tell us the purpose of your trip?
My name is Altaf Ldg. I am the Chief Operating Officer at Roshan, and the purpose of the trip is twofold. One is we have come to Roshan to learn and see what our customers are talking about and their experiences with Roshan, so that we can continue to improve our service and provide them with the products and the quality of network that they are looking for. And secondly is to spend some time with our team here in Roshan. We have about 50 to 55 people in Roshan's offices here, and is to spend a little bit more time with them and to help them understand where our strategy and the direction of the business is going.
How do you help the staff of the company in Herat?
Why do we help the people of the company? Very simply, Roshan we are 1,200 people, employees. So we are one of the largest private companies in Afghanistan today, and we have 7 regional offices. Herat is one of our regional offices, and our philosophy, our mission is to treat all of our staff the same wherever they are in the country. We are one team, and our goal is to come and spend some time to look at how we can help to grow our team here, to put more training programs in place so that our staff can develop into more senior positions in the organization, either here or in other parts of the country.
Would you tell us how much you have invested in Herat?
How much investment? Yes. We've invested about $25 million in Herat alone since we started the operations. But more importantly, over the last 1 year, we have been spending a lot of money to improve the quality of the network. And we have upgraded the network to some of the latest technology that is available in the world, which allows us to bring in GPRS services and eventually even higher bandwidth services to do more data. So we are very keen to make sure we are making sure that the quality of the network here is the best possible, and that you could compare it to any country in the world. And that's what we're spending a lot of time on. So hopefully over the last few months, our customers have seen an improvement in the quality, and that's what we're seeing. We're seeing our customers grow. We're seeing people use the service more because the quality of the network has improved significantly over the last year.
In how many countries are your SIMs working?
Our SIMs, Roshan SIMs, operate in many countries all over the world. Hundreds wherever you go. Most countries today, you can use your Roshan SIM. So it's almost most countries that people travel to, you'll be able to use it.
Can you tell us the philosophies of your company?
I think Roshan's philosophy is very simple. We want to provide you with the best quality service. We want to provide you in terms of the network, in terms of services, bringing innovative products to markets like M-Pesa, which is a mobile money product that people can use to do salary disbursements, for microfinance loans, to transfer money from one person to another. Innovation and bringing those types of products is very important for us. We also want to make sure that the experience that a Roshan customer, whether they are in Herat or any other part of the country, is the best in the world. That from the minute you walk into our shop, the minute you talk to any of our staff, they treat you with respect. They treat you as you should be treated, as a member of a family. And you are part of the Roshan family. So we are very proud, myself and the rest of the management team that are here today in Herat, is to learn from the experiences of people, from our staff, from our customers, so that we can continue to improve and provide the best in service. We are never happy. We're never providing the best service. We can always do better. And that's our goal. And that's our goal for you, for all of our customers in Herat.
What's the difference between your company and other telephone companies?
Okay. The way we approach the market is slightly different. So we have segmented the market, and by that I mean we provide different SIMs for different groups of people. We have Yaran for the youth, so it has more services, which is like SMS, free services at night, but also to do more downloading content, music, so services or things that youth want to use. We have a business SIM, which is called Sadat, which is for businesses to use. So business people who are making a lot of international calls, so they have a different rate for the international calls. Then we have Ali, which is our mass market or for families. And there we have a friends and family product, so you can call certain numbers at a lower rate. So what we have done is we've approached the market very differently from our competition because everyone is different. We're not all the same people, we don't have all the same needs. So our services and our products provide you with that difference. And that is something that Roshan was the first to bring to market and is very different from all of our competition.
Audio seems only used by the people of Afghanistan?
Just the people in Afghanistan. So today we have 3.8 million subscribers. We are the largest operator in the country with the largest market share. We have the largest coverage with over 60% of the population covered. So our network is in Afghanistan and our service is for Afghan people. But as I said before, is if you travel to any country in the world, you are able to use your SIM in those other countries as well.
At the end, would you tell us your message to the people of Herat?
I've been at Roshan since we started on July 20th, 2003 is when we first launched our service. And I came to Herat a couple of months later just before we launched. I am proud to see the growth in Herat in terms of telecommunications, in terms of the development in the city. And I believe that Roshan and telecommunications is a catalyst for growth in the country in terms of economic development, social development, and so we as Roshan are very committed to Herat. We are very committed to Afghanistan. We are a long-term player and we will continue to invest in the technology to provide the best quality service. We will continue to invest in bringing new products that you could use anywhere in the world, and like M-Pesa, that is not available in most countries, but it is available in Afghanistan. We will invest in our management team so that they provide you with quality service and customer service. So our commitment as Roshan is to continue to invest, to be a long-term player from a business perspective, but also from a social perspective in terms of corporate social responsibility. We have built playgrounds in Herat and in the province, in the region. We're building wells, we're supporting e-learning centers, we're bringing new products to market like Malamat, which is for the farmers so that they can have commodity pricing on their phones. So our commitment is manifold. It's not just from a business perspective, but it is to support and to be a catalyst for economic development in Herat. And we're very proud to be here. We're very proud to have started our service in December 2003, and we hope that we can continue to provide the people of Herat with the best quality service.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you.
No.